Assemble threaded clamp and alignment plates to cord, then tie knot at top of cord. Insert channel nuts into rack rail. Insert end caps into both sides of rack rail. Tighten end cap retaining screws. Repeat for remaining rack rail. While holding knotted end of cord, drop clamp into stake pockets. Line up clamp and alignment plates with stake pockets. With clamp and alignment plates flush against stake pockets, place washer over slotted hole and turn hex bolt until finger tight. Repeat for remaining stake pockets. For easy removal of internal parts later, make single knot at each end. When complete, fully tighten rack rail bolts. At top of upright, thread hex bolts from bottom into mounting bracket. Leave mounting bracket loose for now. Repeat for each upright. Measure and record mounting distance between inside rack rails at front and rear locations, as box width may vary. Slide mounting bracket into crossbar channel. Space bottom of uprights to match measurement recorded earlier. Center crossbar, then turn bolt snug. Then install end caps to both sides of crossbar. Repeat for remaining uprights. Set upright assembly between rack rails. Uprights should fit snug. Next, align channel nuts with bolt holes in uprights. Thread bolts into nuts and finger tighten. Check for equal distance from box edge to upright. If equal, use ratchet with socket to tighten bolts snug. Repeat for rear uprights. Verify uprights are installed correctly. The crossbar centers without binding between uprights. Then fully tighten all bolts until serrations on flanges are seated tightly.